All right, in this video, we are required to simplify this particular equation. I call it equation because of the presence of this equality sign, okay? Well, it is called simplify, but basically you can still call it solve. Basically, we are looking for the value of x that will make the sum of these two terms to be equal to 3/5. Now, there are two ways by which a problem like this can be solved. For students that often make mistake of cross multiplying, you can't cross multiply this type of equation at this stage because this term must have the same division sign. Division sign in the sense that they must be on the same roof, not that they are in a separate roof like this. I call it roof. Each of them, they have their different division sign. So the only way we can bring these two terms on this left hand side to be on the same roof is to find the LCM. Then we can now cross multiply. That is method one. Another method is to multiply through by the LCM. But let's flow with method one. So what will be the LCM for this left hand side? What the LCM of 5 and 15? The LCM of 5 and 15 will actually be 15 because 5 will go in 15 and 15 will also go in 15 once. So 5 in 15, 3. Then 3 times 3x. That will give us 9x. Then plus 15 in 15, 1. 1 times 2x, that will give us 2x. Will now be equal to 3/5. All right. So now, doing this further, we now have 9x plus 2x. That will give us 11x over 15. Will now be equal to 3/5. So from what we have here, we can cross, multiply. So if we cross multiply, we are going to be having 3 times 15. We have 3 times 15 will now be equal to 5 times 11x. 3 times 15 will give us 45. Then 5 times 11x will give us 55 x. So if I rearrange, I can still write it as 55x is equal to 45. So for me to get the value of x, I'll divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 55. So I divide by 55. I have 55 here. 55 cancel 55. So we have x to be equal to 45 over 55. The question is, 5 can still go, right? 5 in 45, that is 9. And 5 in 55. So 55 divided by 5, that will give us 11. That is 11. So the value of x that will make that left-hand side of the equation to be equal to the right hand side is 9/11. So we may check. You can do that by yourself. I think I've explained how to do that in one of the videos. You can plug in 9/11 here and put it here. You discover that your final answer will still be 3/5. So that is that about that. So if this video has really helped you, don't forget to subscribe. You can follow our description if you feel you want to partner with us, or you also want to sow into what we are doing to encourage us. So see you in the next video. Thank you.